Welcome to MAXPRECI Machines Private Limited at IMTEX-2025. MAXPRECI Machines Private Limited, a pioneering leader in the manufacturing industry, is proud to showcase our cutting-edge technologies and innovative solutions at IMTEX-2025. Based in Bangalore, our company has been at the forefront of precision engineering, delivering high-quality machinery and equipment that cater to a diverse range of industrial applications. With a steadfast commitment to excellence, MAXPRECI Machines Private Limited continually strives to push the boundaries of innovation and quality. Our extensive product range includes state-of-the-art machining centers, advanced grinding machines, and custom-built solutions designed to meet the specific needs of our valued clients. At IMTEX 2025, we are excited to present our latest advancements and engage with industry professionals to explore new opportunities for collaboration and growth. Join us to experience the future of manufacturing, driven by precision, efficiency, and reliability. Discover the MAXPRECI difference and let us partner with you in achieving your industrial goals.